Woo! Now what the hell is going on? It has been, I haven't even shut the door. Look, that's how busy it's been, non-stop. I haven't shut the window. It's wrecked. Let's start again. How is everybody? Welcome back to the Cut Loose channel. This week is going to be chaos, I can just see it now. If you watched the last video, we went drifting with a Sora, maybe a couple of videos ago actually. Went drifting with a Sora, was getting a bit hot. We ordered a Japspeed radiator. Now this is just original size, direct fitment. I'm not putting the radiator in the boot, even though that's what they advised. But I thought, well, you know what, we'll get onto that. And then I've ordered some 5,000 CPS oil, silicon oil, because I've been told, I did a bit of research, that I can rebuild the fan. The fan seems a bit lazy. It does work, it's just one of them clutch fans, but apparently you can service them. So I've bought the oil to service it, and then I'll be doing that. We've got the silicon hose for the S15. That took 2 weeks to come. I've not been down here like in a week. Well, I think I did some tyres and that sort of stuff. You know what I mean? We've got the Mickey Mouse wheels. But today, I'm going to do some work on the S15. I think it's about time. You know what I mean? I've been a bit slacking with the video uploads. I do apologise. I've just sort of, I don't know, man, just having a bit of a downtime. I don't know why. But I'm still trying to get at least 1-2 a week out if I can, just to keep the content going for you. Even though I'm busy, I just don't want to pick up the camera for no reason. Anyway, I'm going to get the Sora out. We're not working on that today. That is going to be a whole video on its own. Sand, get the keys out, get the cars out, let's get at it. This space for activities. Now, because the prop shaft starts, it leaks a bit of oil, so what I do is always pop a glove on and you get minimal spillage. So now that's full of oil. Nice. Yeah, fuck it in the bin. Yeah, get rid of it. And then, look at it. Oh, nice, nice. Let's get our prop shaft. Now this isn't really like a big video because I'm just doing lots of little stuff. Sorry. Put your prop in. Find the little sweet spot. Oh, that's it. Oh, oh, nice, nice. Pull it back a bit. And get the bolts. Our bolts, kid. These have got a little flat spot on there, see? And that goes against the prop. There, won't glot in. There it's in. And then I'm going to put all three of them on. And by the magic of YouTube, I'm going to put you down a sec. 2 hands. Okay. Now them 4 are all on. I've just put the wiring in, which is there to the gearbox. I've just put the line on. Now I think that's the tank vent, which goes up here. It just recirculates. I don't know, it's always been there. It is what it is. Now, my slave cylinder. This one here. It's all good. But it's been on that box a while. I've just ordered a new one from Conceptua Tuning. Will be here first class, he says. Give me a bit of discount, thank you very much. And that'll be here maybe tomorrow, maybe Monday. But that's probably the only thing that's holding us back on that. But that's okay, it's alright. Because now what we've got to do is go up top and put the gearbox oil in. Again. That's right, again. Yep. You heard me. Again. But that's it underneath. That will go there. That will be done. I will just need to tighten these 4 up because they're loose, because it's handbrakes on. Not very clever, is it? Waffle, big waffle, yeah? Hello. Hello. What we got left to do? So I need to do the air intake, radiator hose, couplers, boost controller, spark plugs, split foil coil pack, intercooler pipe, but I didn't do that because I need to set this out. Fuel lines in properly because I overcut them because I didn't want to be struggling when it's back in top pit. Look at this colour, you know, you forget how nice this colour is. Just forget how nice it is. But talking of nice, I've got even bigger plans. That's all I'm telling you. Couple of years now, but not many. I need to try and catch up before Instagram. We'll see it before you. Damn, I need to hurry up. Get my ass in gear. Now you'll be going, guys. What have you got? Cow-looking hoses. Well, why not? Man, bit of Spanish texture. This one goes here. Oh, TT Racing. Might need to cut them down a bit. And that one goes down here. And I've ripped my glove already. Well, as you can see, this one is too long. So what I'm going to do is actually cut both ends down. Just line it up. Probably going to cut maybe inch or so off each end. And we'll see how we're looking. I'm going to show you a trick now. Got a screwdriver. Hurt. Yes, I just walked into the gearbox. Sad. Put a Jubilee clip on with your designated height. Then you get a pen, permanent, and draw around it. And take it off, and then you got a pretty good line to follow. Yep, like that. Other way you can do it is use masking tape, wrap masking tape around it, or electrical. Mark the line so you're happy. Just cut it, time to cut it, and that's what we're left with. Now come on, I know it ain't perfect, but it's way better than it would be if I'd have cut it freehand. People looking at me, that's how you do it. Fuck 'em. But yeah, so the hose is on now. I just need to put my 2 Jubilee clips on. As you can see there, we've got the new temperature sensor from GK Tech Spacer. So now I've got to run a nice new hose. Before I had a little T pickup inverted thing. I mean, so we don't need that. I'm going to put the clamps on. Actually supplies with clamps. But these, yeah, these two, 30 odd quid. 30 quid. God, I wouldn't be mad. Comes with clamps as well. I don't know if they're any good, the clamps. Clamps are a bit iffy, aren't they? But yeah, so time to put this one on. But I need the grips. Now, after tightening the clips up, I'm not a massive fan of the clips. We'll see if they hold pressure. If they don't, we'll just put the stock ones back on, or somewhat rated ones. Let's get the other one on now. I prefer to upload this in the winter, drinking a slush and that. Always cream man come on the job. I need the pliers. One. Oh man. Oh. Oh, look where he's put it. Fucking idiot. Sorry, I'm gonna have to two-handed job again. Shit. Well, there shouldn't be any water in here. Well, shouldn't's the key. Come on, you pig. Oh. just gotta go. But I'm gonna use these. I don't really want to use these if I can use them. Yeah, man, I know they're good. That's it. That's the bottom one on. Nice. Put it on. I'm gonna see if I can find them other two clips as well and put them on that one. See, some more clips. They're proper clips there. Nah, messing about. Just keep looking. I think on the shelf. That's my old setup. Normally, till GK Tech coming out with that nice little converter thing. Very nice. Yes, very nice. I've got to mess about now. Put oil in the gearbox, must remember. Both of them fell apart. There's the bit. We only used it once. Be careful. Doesn't always work out to use the stuff they send. That's better. So we'll keep these as spares just in case one day, but I don't think they're strong enough. Might be time now to put this inlet pipe on, put that inlet intercooler pipe on. Oh, here it is. Oh, that was pretty difficult. This is a big ass air filter. I've managed to get it on. Tighten the hole there. That's why I put the bit of rubber on, just in case it rubs. Same with this side, bit of rubber. It is in the middle. But that's it. Hose on under there. There's one port there for the boost, another one there. Oh, it's coming along nicely. You impressed? It's lovely colour here. Go on then, give it a like. It probably doesn't look like I've done much, but I have. All the oil feeds tightened up. I've put the earth on the engine, then to the chassis, mounted that twice. I'm now going to put the spark plugs in. So I've got the spark plugs, and I've got the boost controller, and then I need to put in the coil from the split fire. Easy. But yeah, gearbox oil is in, engine oil is in. I've put water in just in case. Fail to prepare, prepare to fail. So that's it. I've took the fuel pump fuse out, which is in the footwell, top row, right hand side, 15 below E. So I filled up the water, filled up the oil, put 5 litres of oil in, but I am predicting it's going to take more, so we have that ready. These are just on for now. The boost isn't really wired in properly. I've just blocked it off. This one isn't in, but this is just to see if we've got any water leaks or oil leaks so far. Ooh. None of them in. So let's crank it. Let's get some oil around the block. The battery does sound the best. It has been sat for a bit. I'm just going to check the oil now. 7 litres each took. 7 litres. There you go. All on camera. Well, that's all we got. We gotta go. I got time. Battery's dead. Well, you know what? We don't want to rush it, do we? and charge the battery. But we did give it a go. We're running out of time. That's all I can really get done today. We'll try again tomorrow, and we'll do some stuff on the Sora, I think. Now we should just get this done, shouldn't we? Catch you next time.